Good morning, one and all respected principal sir, HOD sir, director sir, and my dear friends. Today, my name is Paipuru Shah Pradeep, and my registration number is 172418039, and my today's topic is which I will be explaining about is arc welding process. In this arc welding process, it is a technique in which the metals are welded by using the heat generated by arc welding. This is known as arc welding process, and in this arc welding process, the how the flame or arc is formed. Now we will look over that. The arc is like a flame of intense, that is, it is generated by an electrical circuit that passes through a highly resistant air gap. Because we in the arc welding process there are two phases, so to join that to join the two metals, the the gap between is very highly resistant. So because of that, there are lot of needs of equipments. Here is some of the equipments in which the it is useful for the uh, arc welding, or while while doing this arc welding process, the flame in which it is very dangerous. Because if that flame is suddenly expands, then it will be burn our hands. So because of that, we should take care of ourselves while doing this experiment. So what are the needs that we should take while doing these experiments are, we should see the at first a generator, that is DC, or a transformer which is present in the lab equipment. uh, Either it is a DC generator or AC transformer, and we should wear gloves, and we should wear apron, shoes, or and there are two cables in the arc welding process, and one is connected to a work, and another will be attached to the electrode, and we should take electrode holder and electrode to joining the two metals. Because uh, in this electrode, the copper electrode will be there, so it will be very easily to join them. If it is not there, then the two metals will not be joined, because it's highly resistive, and it will be and protective shield for our eyes. We should not see to with our naked eye, because it will damage our eyes also. And wire brush. And what are the advantages of this arc welding process is that it is a most effective way to join the metal, and it is the lowest cost in the while joining the metals. Its efforts are light in weight, then the utilization material joins all commercial metals. What I and this yeah, like all of us, this arc welding process is also having advantages and disadvantages. So we have seen advantages. Now disadvantages are as follows. It is a manually applied of it, so labor content will be high in cost, and it needs high energy, causing danger, and effects are high to join these metals. So it is a time taking process in which and witty of it. So thank you.